Good morning. Welcome back to the vlogs. Do you want to spend the day with me? Okay, let's do this. Alright, so I actually have a super long day. I have a lot to do today and I'm just getting up. I'm already starting my day off late, but let's get today started. First thing first, honestly, I feel like I should do a to-do list because if I don't have a list, if I don't have a plan of action, I don't get anything done and I'm usually not as productive as when I do. So first thing first, let's write a to-do list. I actually think I'm gonna use pen and paper today. Ew, who uses pen and paper still? Me. First of all, I need to upload my video and then I need to do laundry. I gotta work out. I gotta read. I also need to film a video for YouTube. I don't know. I may not get to filming the video. It depends. We'll see how the day goes. I also want to film a second video slash this vlog. My brother's coming today. Oh my god, I didn't tell you guys. It's a big secret. I'm kidding. It's not a secret. My brother is coming with my niece today because I was supposed to get married on Sunday, but we're not gonna be able to do it because we're still on lockdown. Yes, that's a thing. If you live in the States, I know y'all don't take this seriously, but the rest of the world is on lockdown and I can't get married, so we're not gonna do that. But I'm excited for my brother to come because it's gonna be really exciting. Filmed the second video. The second video, I want it to be like a dynamite vlog-ish or dynamite haul just because I want to show you guys the items that I got. They're just so cute. I have to share. So there's that, and then I have like meeting for work. Oh god, I need to write this down so I don't forget. I have a training thing this afternoon, and then I have to go to Walmart for groceries, and then I have to pick up my brother from the airport. All right, now that we have a plan of action, we can get this day started. All right, well, let me get this video out because it's already late. It should have been posted yesterday and I am posting it today. You're gonna forgive me, right? So the video is out. I will put a link for you as always. It's time to work out and I've been taking this C4. Actually, Bae got it and that shit makes me crazy. So I am going to use it. I'm gonna put it in some water. I take like half a scoop because it does make me a little crazy. Maybe a little more. That thing is a drug. You know how people be talking about don't do drugs? How come no one's talking about C4 as a drug? Anyway, I'm gonna do this. And if you watch my last videos, you know that I do like a little grain juice every day, almost every day. I ran out of it for like maybe 2-3 weeks and I bought some more. I'm not gonna put it in my C4 water now. I'm just gonna drink this as I work out. And then after, I'm gonna do my little grain juice, okay? So this is the plan and let's go work out. I'm trying to like grow a booty, girl. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm done. I'm done. We got it done. We got it out of the way. I swear the hardest part about working out is starting. I'm gonna do my little green juice. I honestly really like this thing. I like the taste. I like how it's not too sweet. I like how you can just add water to make it even less sweet if you want to, because I don't like things that are too sweet. It's 12:41. And I feel like I'm not halfway done. I have so much to do. I just feel so overwhelmed. All right, so let's go shower and grab all of my stuff. Let's go. Oh shoot, before I shower, I actually have to do laundry. Damn. Now we can finally shower, do our skincare, film our videos, mind our business, you know? I feel like I'm always doing house chores. Always. Alright, so I'm done with my skincare. I'm done showering. I need to get dressed, obviously, do my makeup because we're filming a video. Because typically, girl, you already know I would have not done my makeup. Makeup who? But I'm doing it today because of, yeah, I'm trying to look cute in my video. You know what I'm saying? You already know. So for outfit, we're going with this oversized, nice top, jeans, and the bralette. Where are we going? Nowhere. That's where. Totally changed my mind on the pants. We went with black pants instead. I'll show you the full outfit. Right now I am starving. You hear me? I haven't eaten all day and I worked out, so I'm frail. I'm feeling it. I want to moisturize my hair real quickly though because I just came out of the shower. I wet my hair in the shower. That's how I get my moisture in. And before she dries out, I just want to like coat her up with a butter, so I'll be back. Here's the butter that we're using. It's by IMONatural, giving these small black-owned businesses a little shout out, you know. Love it because it's nice and soft. You can just get it right out of the packaging. It's not wet or anything, but it's soft. And really, I just want to get my ends, you know. This is where we get a lot of problems. This is where we, you know, our hair dry out. Next thing you know, it's breaking. So that's where I really want to hit. And I also like to get the edges because y'all know they're so fragile and dry and they just be doing the most. And that's it. I'm just gonna put my hair right back into this little rubber band because we're not going nowhere. But for my video, I think I may just use a head wrap. I've been loving head wraps, y'all know this. Head wraps are like my thing. So let's do this. And now let us go and eat. Finally! So I haven't been at work in like 7 minutes. So I gotta eat quickly. I gotta pretend like I've been working all day. That's what I have to do. I gotta get into this work meeting and I really don't want to. I gotta pretend. Anyways, let me do that quickly. And then once I'm done, I want to read. Because part of my, you know, Gen 2.0 journey is prioritizing reading. And I realized if I don't do it during the day, if I don't prioritize it or spend like 30 minutes at least during the day, I actually don't do it at night. And I always say, I'm going to do it later. I'm going to do it later. And later apparently never comes. Later is not a time. Later will defile you. Is that even the word? Later is not good. Anyway, so let me do this meeting and then yeah. Alright, so this is the book that I'm reading. If you watch my self-development video, then you know this. And it's such an easy read. And I'm already like almost, well, yeah, halfway through. Easy read, but a nice little gem. So I'm going to spend 30 minutes doing this right now. Alright, so it is time for me to do my makeup. And hopefully I can do this really quickly. Because it's like 4:30 and I haven't even started filming my video yet. And filming videos take a long time, so I'm trying to get it out of the way. By the way, all of the products that I use for my makeup will be linked down below. And honestly, we're just gonna fast forward through this, okay? This isn't a makeup tutorial. It's just a watch me do my makeup quickly type thing. By the way, we're still loving this NARS foundation. I just have to say that. Okay. Girl, we're looking real good. We're looking kind of cute. Just a little bit, you know? Just a little bit. Like, I woke up like this, but not really. Anyway, let me stop wasting time. I have to go film my video now, so let's do that. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. It's a girl. Jen J, of course. Welcome back. So, today I'm here with a special video. Can you believe my hair anniversary came and went and I did not even update you guys? Okay, so I am a beast with working today. I can't even believe how much I've gotten done. To be fair, this is the part of the video that I really wanted to film and show you guys, but I ended up filming my entire day. But this was it. I wanted to show you guys all of the clothes that I got from Dynamite. No, this is not sponsored. I just want to share. And I love Dynamite, to be fair. So if I can get a sponsorship with them, power to me. Anywho, I will put the links down below to every single one of these items. So yeah, first thing first, let's talk about my little outfit today. So the pants are not from Dynamite, they are from Frank and Oak. And I haven't decided if I'm going to keep them yet because, I don't know, like the waistline is kind of tight. Like it fits really nicely everywhere else. The booty looks nice in them. It fits nice. And I like how it's like this very relaxed fit. The fabric, like it's jeans, but it's like a very soft jean material. It's not very stuffed. Anyways, I don't know if I'm going to keep it because like I said, the waistline is very tight right here. And I just feel like, you know, like with this little situation here, it makes me look a little fat. Anyway, so I haven't decided. I still have the tag on it because your girl haven't decided. Moving on though to this piece. This is the first piece from Dynamite. Very nice. They're very flowy. It's really giving me like relaxed energy. It's giving me, you know, I'm on vacation vibes and I really like it. The fabric is also very nice, okay? It's a nice minty color, which is so in right now. But anyways, I love it. This is the first part. Next up, we have this top, which you probably saw in one of my last videos. And I'm sure you saw this shorts in my last vlog. So I'm gonna put them on, okay? Isn't this giving you summer vibes? Really. It's summertime. I'm just gonna step out the house really quickly. That's the vibe that it's giving me. Love the color of the top. Obviously, this like mustardy color is giving me life. These jeans, I think I told you guys in the last vlog, it's not one of the items that I picked. It was an accident, but I really liked the accident because it's just so comfortable. Nothing is being restricted here, okay? I can go to a restaurant and I can eat. And yeah, very comfy, very relaxed. We don't want anything restricting the blood flow, okay? That's the vibe. That's the name of this video. No restriction of blood flow over here. These pants are my favorite item out of all of these pieces. If you're following me on Instagram, you've seen them already. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I need to go somewhere. I have to show you the full thing. I have to make sure you see it all, okay? Look at these pants. Tell me they're not giving you Miss Jackson vibes, CEO vibe, okay? They fit like a glove. They don't restrict the blood flow. They give me this nice shape. Oh my God. And they really hug the booty in a way that I really like. Yes, these pants with some nice heels. They're my favorite right now. They really are. Oh, mon Dieu. Really love it. Let's give the top her moment as well. I'm pretty sure you saw this in my last vlog as well, but the top is really nice. It's actually a bodysuit, but it fits really nicely, and I love how open the back is. This could be a whole outfit, although I've worn the pants with a different top on Instagram. So if you want to see that, you know, follow me on the gram. I need to be running a meeting or something. I do. Oh, and there's also this. Before we move on, they have this oversized piece. It's giving me like campfire vibe. You know, it's kind of like late at night, but it's a summer night. So you don't really want to wear a sweater, but this will give you just enough warmth to keep you comfortable. This is the vibe it's giving me. Very specific one. I'll show you the whole thing. She's very long, especially if you're like me. I am 5'3", okay? I'm a shorty. It goes all the way down. I can also see this with like a bodysuit, you know, like the short bodysuit that they have. I'll put like a little picture or something. I feel like it will look cute with that too. It's really cute, especially if you're like lounging around the house, you know what I mean? You're not really going anywhere. That's the vibe it's giving me. We have these two items, which I wouldn't wear together, but I will put them on together so that you can see. I love this top. You've seen it already in my self-development video. I love how open the back is, you know, it's giving you this like sexy vibe. I see dinner, like an expensive dinner when the world opened back up. That's what I see in my future in this top. Now the jeans are my least favorite out of all of these items. I will show you. I don't like how it fits, and I don't like how it bulks up around this area. The color is very nice, obviously. I think if you're a little thicker in the waist, if you have a bigger bum, it will work nice for you. But for me, it's not really doing it for me. I don't like the cut. It's definitely giving me mom vibes. You know, I have 3 kids at home. That's what it's giving me. Not a huge fan of the jeans. I can see it with like a nice white top. It's just a nice little spring number, but not for Jen, okay? I definitely see this with like some nice tight blue jeans, you know? I know we don't wear jeans anymore, but with this little sexy top, I see it. They have a lot of like interesting tops, especially with like little straps like that. I just think that's so like feminine, just so sexy, you know? Like, who, me? Thank you, monsieur. Garçon. All right, so we totally just changed into kind of like back into the outfit we're wearing, but with these shorts because they are that comfortable. And between you and I am pretty sure I am going to return the Frank and Oak jeans just because I am working out too, right? So maybe I can keep them. Okay, this is the hoarder in me, totally. Maybe I can keep them to measure my progress with working out. What if like my waistline sinks in a little bit? Maybe then I could wear it more comfortably. You know what? No, I should just return it. You're right. Plus they were expensive too. It was like $80. Bye. Today was a day. My God, I just feel like I've been working all day, especially with like my 9 to 5 and influencing work. I've been going at it all day. Your girl's tired. Okay, so I'm just catching my breath, wasting some time on Instagram. Instagram is so random. I still have to post on Instagram, but thank God I planned ahead because the post is already ready to go. It's actually the reels on these outfits. So I am going to go upstairs and post it. And then it's going to be time to make dinner. It's 6:30. B and I are actually going to make dinner together. It's one of the things that we implemented recently. Date night. We picked a day out of the week that we are blocking off. It's in my calendar every single week. Before that, we were just doing it whenever, especially with the pandemic. Like, we're both home. We realized that we just haven't really been doing that. We don't have a date, right? So out of sight, out of mind. Anyway, so that's one of the things that we implemented recently. So I think we've had like 3 date nights already. So 3 weeks in a row. And tonight is date night. So we are going to cook together. I think we're making tacos. He chose it. I have to double check if we even have taco meat. Anyways, we're making tacos and we are gonna chill because my brother's also flying in tonight. I'm pretty sure I told you guys that. So yeah, you know what? I feel like this video is going to be extremely long and I hope that it's not, so that, you know, you watch it all. Otherwise, y'all just be skipping and not watching the whole thing. You know how hard it is to put these videos together. Anyways, I appreciate you guys though. I know I sound so ungrateful. I appreciate you watching my videos and being around, especially the ones that watch my vlogs. If you watch my vlog, you are a real one. We have a different relationship. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to post on Instagram, cook dinner, pick up my brother, and we are going to end the vlog. I kind of want to say I want to end it here. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know, you know, what you think of the vlog. If there's any areas of improvement, I would love it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.